Hey guys.
Hey!
Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing a summer sunset eye look.
Insert tropical music. If you don't insert music,
is it
I'm gonna look real weird.
the sound of coconuts? I don't know what it is. I'll find
birds chirping.
I'll find something.
No regrets. Great.
No regrets? No regrets?
Yes.
Today we're going to be doing like a summer sunset look. So are you going to go for like legitimate sunset on the eye? Or?
Yes.
Same. So for palette today, I'm going to be using the Affinity palette from CERTIFEYE. So, you know, if you don't get sunset vibes from it, I mean, I don't know who you are, but...
Natasha Denona Sunset Palette. Because I'm literally going as literal.
Yeah.
So this is the OG Sunset. I know she came out with a new... Sunrise. It's like red packaging. And from what I've heard is that she changed her formula. I haven't tried it, haven't swatched it. I don't want to because if I fall in love with it, I don't want to.
Then you have another Natasha Denona palette you don't use. The outside reminds me of like 90s CD case.
Yeah, which I love. I love it. I love it. I love it. The price, I don't love. This was too pricey for what it is, but
how much are they? I don't know.
These were like $129 for this palette, and she's done.
See, I can't afford to be you.
So, I mean, this was definitely one of those, like, I bought it, and then I was like, well, that's it. Sunset in 3, 2. You were supposed to say 1.
Oh. Uno. So I'm going to be using Morphe M412. What a shock. What a shock, right? I'm going to dip into SALMA, which is the bright yellow of the palettes. I prepped my eyes today with a different primer. I haven't really ever used it a whole lot because when you put it on, it's really dark. But then I blended it out and it was fine. So this is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. I got it in my Ipsy. This is in the shade Nude.
So the first shade that I put in my crease was Horizon, and I just used my Morphe M335 as an all-over lid and transition shade color. Really nice, really subtle, and definitely if you're doing like an everyday look, this would be the one shade liner done. So next I'm going in with the Morphe E28 brush, and I want to go in with Volcano. I was gonna say volcanic. There is some pickup in this palette, but it's okay.
The plastic would piss me off. I'm paying $120 for this sheet.
Just apply it right in the crease.
So I'm not putting this all in the crease, just focusing it, you know, where you see it, just kind of like in the crease on this part of my eye, because we're going to be going in with an additional crease color, and that is going to be the shade Sonia, which is the bright orange of the palette. And I'm just going to go ahead and tap into there real quick. I know that you watched our 2-in-1 switch for June, and we both used CERTIFEYE palettes, so this is the only one that we didn't use. So I'm going in with SHAZIA, that's how you say it, and it's going to go into like this inner corner piece kind of onto the lid, but we're just finishing up this crease area, so I'm still using the same Morphe 412.
And the next brush I'm dipping in with is the Morphe E17, and I'm going in with Panjin, which is the red tone in this palette, and I'm applying that right under the Volcano shade, which will add just a nice red tone to this look.
I'm gonna dip in with the final lid shade, and this is Henna. We're gonna take the Sephora Pro 12. And we're just kind of stippling because we don't want to disrupt like the orange and the yellow above.
And with the Sephora number 15 small shadow brush, I'm going in with the shade Soul, and I'm just gonna apply that all on my lid.
I don't want to leave like too much of this powder on my eye because I'm going over with a yellow gel liner, and that could really mess this up. I'm gonna dip back in with Sonia just a little bit to kind of deepen her up because, you know, as you're blending, you're also sweeping away.
The pigmentation in the palettes.
All of their palettes are beautiful. I mean, you should at least own one CERTIFEYE palette, not affiliated or anything, but just the quality is so good. Yeah. And if you like nudes, they have a nude palette that's coming out, so, you know, go buy it if you don't want to get color. But, you know, they have a lot of different rainbow palettes. They have a jewel tone. They have Tropical Wonders, which is more pastel. They have this one, which is more like warm and then purples. And then they have the Affinity 2, which is blues and greens. So, I mean,
they have everything you could
Everything, everything. Morphe E36. I'm gonna go in with Sonia a little bit on the lower lash line and then Salma on like the inner corner of the lash line.
Okay, I'm gonna add a pretty dramatic eye or wing with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I want to go over it with some liquid glitter eyeshadow.
Sunset look would be complete without CERTIFEYE from FENTY, so that's what we're gonna be doing here.
Okay, so I'm going in with my Stila Glitter and Glow. This is their metal liquid eyeshadows in the shade Gold Goddess. This is an angled detailer brush.
I love a good angled detailer. I'll be using my Bodyography Pro angled liner brush to do my liner today. And then for the actual gel liner, we're going to be dipping into the Distinction Cosmetics. This is one of their new eyebrow gels. And this is in the shade Caution, so just bright yellows. I'm obsessed with them. They're super pigmented, so I don't think I'll have a problem going over like this purple on my eye, but we'll see. Like, I don't want it to be super pronounced, but I definitely want you to know that there's like a liner there, obviously. So like I said with that gel liner, I wasn't trying to go like super literal like yellow line. Like, I like that it kind of blended into the eyeshadow. So I will be using a lash today. I'm going to be using the Glamlite Mango palette. Mango Margarita lashes because it's a summer look. They're pretty nice and long, you know, normal me.
Gorgeous.
For mascara, before I do that, I'm going to use my go-to for lash prep, Tarteist. Since I've been wearing so many lashes lately, I've been using the Rimmel London a lot because it's a like an amplifier mascara, so it gives them nutrients. So I'm trying to build them back up. My poor little babies. Not that I'm ripping my lashes out or anything, like, you know, not any more than taking mascara off. But also I feel like I kind of have to give them some love back because glue. Have you been seeing the trend videos of people going and like doing the worst rated like beauty?
Yes. Have you wanted to try?
No, I'm obsessed though. I'm pretty sure I watched one that like is a place here in Irving.
Comment down below. We're gonna leave this up to you guys because we'll see if I can convince Delaney, but if not, you can.
I also just can't justify paying someone $60 to do my makeup when I have so much makeup at home.
But the point is the experience.
Oh, getting pink eye?
Oh my god.
Can't wait.
Should we go to the worst makeup reviewed artist
in the area? I don't know. We're really close to Dallas, so there might be some bad ones.
Glamlite, yes, Glamlite pizza. This is the fresh baked and delicious.
Stretch, limber up.
Yeah. Got this, people.
So lip is gonna be BELLEGANT. This is one of the new ones I picked up. That's my jam. It's just a nice like deep ass purple. I'm
going to go in with two shades. I'm going in with this is both from Fenty. The first one is an orange and it's called Saucy, and I'm going back in with my nude called Single, and I'm gonna just mix muted down orange with my lashes.
Nuded down or muted down?
Muted. Oh, she got me.
I thought you said nuded, so I was about to be like, oh, look, another joke.
I didn't.
Okay, well, we hope that you guys liked this look that we did. You know, give you some summer vibes, you know. We're halfway through summer for Texas anyway. The hottest part is yet to come.
I know.
August is always the worst, so.
This is just the tester, the trial run.
We're going to do some close-ups for you guys. So let us know down in the comments if you want us to see any other like seasonal looks.
Yeah. Can't wait for our Halloween. That is like, we're gonna go baller.
I just can't wait for Halloween. Like,
yeah, in general.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite. But we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!